Okay, I am. This morning I'm gonna kind of show. I did some research about question number 4, which was for each PowerShell command line, some of the parameters are required and others are optional. So the task was to show a list of parameters which are required and optional for a new group command line. So yeah, I've looked up online and see what I can get, and this is what I come up with. So first, I want to create a value, and that value represents the get command, and also the new add group policy. So I'm gonna run that script. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the value again, and then run its parameter sets, and then set it to 0, and then this would show us, so for example, let's find an example here. So like the name, parameter name is mandatory. Right there. You got other attributes. You got false. Instance is false. Homepage false. Group scope is mandatory. So I've checked online and see if it's the one that I'm showing you right now. It's actually the one that is optional or required by the new add group policy. So I went to new add group policy. I'll show it to you. So I did some research about it. See, required parameters. So, okay, required parameters. Yeah, we saw that group scope was a required parameter. Take a look at that again. Group scope. There you go. True. Mandatory. So we are correct. We were able to find out the optional and required parameters of the new add group. Thank you for watching.